Hi, I want to welcome you to River Bear Aquaponics, home of the world's most productive 45-gallon small fish aquaponic garden. We're going to do one of these unboxing videos here. I just ordered a couple of these battery-powered aquarium pumps. These are got a 1-year warranty, a power failure sensor control, 2 D-size batteries. Got some fancy fish on there. It's an Aquatop. We're going to unbox an Aquatop battery operated aquarium pump. So what these do is when they don't stay on all the time. When the power goes off, then they kick on. This is just a backup. This is what this is. This is to get your fish through. So let's just take a look. Open it up. Got a nice long cord on it. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Probably a good 4-foot, 5-foot cord. Comes with its instructions. But here's the pump. Actually a pretty solid clip. So let's open this up. Well, let's get this out of here first. Got a air stone and some cheapo aquarium hose here, but it comes with it. So we've got a pretty solid case here. I mean, it's, you know, probably could get splashed on a little bit and stuff. We've got some relays back here. A little motor that drives a tiny little, got a little cam, and then that cam drives this diaphragm up and down, and there's a set of valves in here. I'm not going to pull this thing apart, I just got it. There's a set of valves that draw the air in and then force the air out, with this diaphragm vibrating and causing that to happen. And what this does here is once it notices there's a power outage, then it flips a switch and turns that motor on. So let's put some batteries in it. Let's try it out. Let's put the batteries in. It's pretty tight squeeze. So the power's on, pump is on, click it on. All of a sudden there's a power outage. It kicks on automatically as advertised. I get bubbles. I'm going to test how long it lasts battery wise. Power comes back on. I'm just flipping the switch down here. Power comes back on. Pump goes off. Automatically ready for the next time. I like it. That worked. It's not too bad for a small fish aquaponics system. That would work for my purposes. Look at those fish. Okay, as a test for this new backup air pump, I got a fresh set of size D batteries in here, a little bucket of water. This is actually my overflow. To just see how many hours these batteries will last in case of an emergency. It is about 12:15 now. I'm hoping to get to about 8 o'clock. I would be pretty good with that. All right, it's about 9:30, and the batteries are still holding up, so we'll just keep it going. So it's 10 o'clock, and it's just barely going now. 11:30, and it's still pushing air. It's trying to move. Over 24 hours on a single set of batteries, and it's still going. That's actually pretty amazing right now. Unbelievable. I mean, again, it's not much, but if you had like a goldfish right now, you guys let them go dormant, and they just kind of sit down there.